Today I will be showing you how to unlock premium using crypto payment method. This is the crypto payment section. The first thing to do is to choose your desired plan, and note that this is one-off. Now you can choose the cryptocurrency to use for this payment. In this tutorial, I will be using USDT via the TON network. You can also add your email so you can get notified when the payment is successful. Now I will copy the address and go to Bybit and make the transaction there. I will click on withdraw and choose the cryptocurrency selected earlier, and also choose the network, which in this case is the TON network. Now you have to input your address, the network, and the amount. Now the transaction is successful. I'll go back to the website and wait for it to be processed. It might take a few minutes, so be patient. processed. Now the payment is successful. You can now go back to the app for it to be verified there.